Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really to know you are.
My goodness. And that is how our mornings go. Like, genuinely, rush, get out the house. And it's still going to change when I go back to work in the next few weeks. So it's going to be interesting. My waking up time is going to have to change. So instead of waking up around 6:45 or thereabouts, I got to be awake by 6, just so we're out. I'm able to drop Bethel and then drop Brielle and then be on my way to work. So it's going to be a whole new time change and all of that, but it's okay, we got this. But anyways, yeah, that's morning drop off. That's how our mornings usually go. Myself and Betta, we're gonna go back home and yeah, probably grab something to eat when we get home, but I don't usually eat around this time. I'll probably eat around 10-11. But anyways, yeah, go home and relax. Yeah, do what I need to do and until it's time to come pick her up. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna drive back home. I'll be listening to my next level prayers because I was listening to it this morning, but I didn't get a chance to finish it. So I'm gonna listen on the way back home. And I think I've got like about 10-15 minutes left of it. So that's what I'm gonna listen to on the way back home. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when we get back home.